So I have the Redmi Watch 4 and I'll be showing you how to enable advanced sleep monitoring. Now your watch will monitor your sleep by default, but there's some elements of your sleep that will not be monitored by default. You have to enable or you have to turn on advanced sleep monitoring. So to do that, just press the crown once to go to the main menu, and on the main menu you can scroll and look for sleep and tap on that. So basically this is supposed to show you your sleep data, but if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it should say settings. You can tap on that and then you'll see advanced monitoring. Tap on that and then you can enable advanced sleep monitoring from here. And if you want to disable it or to turn it off, just use that toggle button to disable. All right. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.